Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, today is all about purple. This video is going to be a little bit different than my last ones. I'm not going to be speaking throughout it. I'm just going to do a full over audio of just music, and so you can just see me go along do it. I had a little hiccup in the beginning, so you'll see me switch gears throughout it. I'll make sure the front part is very quick and then I get into how I create this very soft glam purple eye. I want something that was a little bit brighter than just a duller purple, and something that was still a little bit like, you know, sexy and sultry, because it's my jam. I definitely think this is super wearable and anybody can do it because it's not that hard. I did use a couple palettes, but if you had a palette that has just purples in it, it'd be so much easier, and unfortunately I don't. Purple isn't my favorite color, so I never looked at getting too many purple palettes. No further ado, let's get into it.
Monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. I'm standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me to forget the past, but what counts is that we're brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away. I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away.
You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it. Fall into your
Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of this purple eye. I love it so much and I think it looks beautiful. And again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Next video, I'm not exactly sure what it's going to be. I do have a couple hauls coming up in the future. So stay tuned for those. So feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.